In this video, I will share 10 secrets to creating a winning brand strategy. Stay tuned, because these tips will help your business succeed. Hello business owners. This video will share 10 secrets for creating a winning brand strategy. So if you're looking to create a powerful brand identity that customers can trust and identify with, stay tuned. 1. Define your brand message. What is your company all about? What do you stand for? Ensure your brand message is clear and concise, so that customers know what to expect from you. 2. Create a unique logo. This is one of the most important aspects of branding. Make sure your logo is memorable and recognizable, so that customers will instantly associate it with your company. 3. Use social media to engage customers. Social media is a great way to connect with customers and create a community around your brand. Be sure to post engaging content and respond to comments and questions promptly. 4. Make sure your website is professional and up-to-date. This is your online storefront, so make sure it looks good and represents your company in a positive light. 5. Use consistent branding across all channels. Make sure everything looks and feels like it belongs to the same brand. From your website, to your social media profiles, to your marketing materials. 6. Focus on customer service. One of the best ways to create loyalty among customers is through excellent customer service. Make sure you go above and beyond to meet and exceed customer expectations. 7. Foster a positive company culture. A happy employee means a happy customer. Create a positive work environment where employees feel appreciated and valued, and see how it impacts your bottom line. 8. Partner with other brands. Collaborating with other businesses can be a great way to expand your reach and build awareness for your brand. Just make sure the partnership aligns with your overall branding strategy. 9. Invest in market research. Keep an eye on what the competition is doing and what new trends are emerging in your industry. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and continue evolving your branding strategy. 10. Keep evolving. As times change, so should your branding strategy. After all, it's essential to stay relevant in today's competitive marketplace. Keep these secrets in mind, and you'll be well on creating a winning brand identity. We hope you found these tips helpful. And if you gained any value from this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more. And please, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.